Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burgers not shrink. We'll cover selecting the right ground meat, forming your patties correctly, and mastering cooking techniques. By following these simple steps, you can ensure your burgers stay juicy and maintain their size, providing a perfect meal every time. Let's dive into the details to achieve consistently great results. Choosing the right meat is crucial for preventing shrinkage. A higher fat content, specifically an 80-20 lean-to-fat ratio, helps keep your burgers moist and prevents them from drying out and shrinking excessively. Leaner meats tend to lose more moisture during cooking, leading to a smaller, tougher burger. Freshly ground meat also offers superior texture and flavor. How you form your patties significantly impacts their final size. Gently shape them, avoiding overcompressing the meat, which can make them tough. Make your patties about 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick and slightly wider than your bun. Creating a small dimple in the center helps prevent the burger from bulging and shrinking into a ball as it cooks. Your cooking technique plays a vital role in maintaining burger size. Cook at a consistent medium-high temperature. Resist the urge to press down on the patties with your spatula, as this squeezes out valuable juices and fat, leading to shrinkage. Flip your burgers only once or twice to ensure even cooking and prevent moisture loss. Cook until just done for maximum juiciness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.